10 reasons why women should sleep early to have a more beautiful body, full of vitality. Section 1. Introduction. Sleep is an essential component of overall health and well-being, with a significant impact on physical, mental, and emotional health. In particular, getting enough sleep can have a profound effect on women's physical appearance, leading to a more beautiful body that is full of vitality. This article will explore 10 reasons why women should prioritize getting a good night's sleep, and the benefits that come with it. Section 2. Better skin. One of the most significant benefits of getting enough sleep is improved skin health. During sleep, the body releases growth hormones that stimulate cell growth and repair. This process is critical for repairing damaged skin, reducing inflammation, and increasing collagen production, which can lead to a more youthful and radiant complexion. Section 3. Reduced eye bags and dark circles. Getting enough sleep can also reduce the appearance of under eye bags and dark circles. Lack of sleep can cause the blood vessels under the eyes to dilate, leading to the appearance of dark circles. Additionally, fluid can accumulate under the eyes, leading to puffiness and bags. Getting enough sleep can help reduce the appearance of these issues, leading to a more refreshed and youthful appearance. Section 4. Increased energy. A good night's sleep can lead to increased energy levels, making it easier to exercise, stay active, and maintain a healthy weight. Women who prioritize sleep are more likely to have the energy and motivation to engage in physical activity, which can lead to increased muscle tone and overall body vitality. Section 5. Improved mood. Sleep also plays a significant role in regulating mood and emotions. Women who prioritize sleep are more likely to experience improved mental and emotional health, which can lead to a more positive outlook and a more attractive demeanor. In contrast, lack of sleep can lead to mood swings, anxiety, and irritability, all of which can negatively impact physical appearance and overall health. Section 6. Reduce stress. Getting enough sleep is an important factor in managing stress levels. Chronic stress can lead to a variety of health issues, including weight gain, hormonal imbalances, and skin problems. In contrast, adequate sleep can help the body manage stress and prevent the negative effects associated with chronic stress. Section 7. Reduced inflammation. Sleep plays a critical role in reducing inflammation in the body, which can have a significant impact on overall health and well-being. Chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of health issues, including skin problems, weight gain, and chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Prioritizing sleep can help reduce inflammation in the body, leading to a healthier and more attractive appearance. Section 8. Improved cognitive function. Getting enough sleep is also critical for cognitive function, including memory, attention, and decision-making abilities. Women who prioritize sleep are more likely to experience improved cognitive function, which can lead to better productivity and a more attractive and successful overall appearance. Section 9. Improved immune function. Sleep is also essential for proper immune function, which can help prevent a variety of health issues, including skin problems, chronic diseases, and even cancer. Women who prioritize sleep are more likely to have a strong immune system, leading to a healthier and more attractive body. Section 10. Conclusion. In conclusion, getting enough sleep is critical for women who want to maintain a beautiful and healthy body full of vitality. From improved skin health and reduced eye bags to increased energy, improved mood, and reduced inflammation, sleep plays a critical role in overall health and well-being. Women who prioritize sleep are more likely to have a youthful, radiant appearance and a successful, fulfilling life.